What's this, Ellis? Is it a Christmas tree? Come on.
Okay. Come on then. Let's go. Should we explore it together? What does it feel like? Can you see what it feels like? Wow. Wow.
Should we get the crush it between his hands?
Good morning. Oh, as you can see, I've just woken up. Just gonna make Ellis's breakfast, and he's off to nursery. And also got to make Caroline's breakfast. She wants a jacket potato. It's 7:45 in the morning. Who am I to say anything? Let's get going.
Good morning. Can you say hello? You wave? Hiya. Hiya. Ellis has just had his breakfast and he is going to go to nursery any minute now. My breakfast is ready. I'm just waiting for Ellis to get out of the way because otherwise he's going to want it. What have I got for breakfast, you ask? I have a jacket potato with, what are they, alphabet spaghetti, via life cheese. And Sean says to me, I say, you can't have a jacket potato for breakfast. And I said, why not? Why has society decided you have to have toast or cereal for breakfast, or porridge, or you know, that sort of thing? Why can't I have a jacket potato for breakfast? And he said, you're very correct. Why can't you have lunch for breakfast? And so there we are.
Ta-da.
Bye-bye. Mwah. Mwah.
You do that?
Mwah.
Ta-da.
Bye-bye. Another day, another charity shop haul. Bloody love charity shops. And this one did not disappoint. Don't mind Sean's slipper. So again, we have some t-shirts for Sean because they never have anything for me anywhere. So this is a penguin one, which was £1.50, and it's got the pocket there with the logo. And this is a French Connection, just a plain grey one. Sean always gets t-shirts from H&M and they always shrink. So we're just trying to branch out a bit, and obviously I'd like to go to charity shops instead of spending £25 a t-shirt in these designer shops. Some chalk because we would like to paint the side of one of our units with the blackboard paint, so we thought we should buy some chalk, and we saw this and it was £1. What was it? Yeah, £1. I thought it said £3. I was about to say, what a rip-off. It was £1. I bought this silly little jug for Ellis because at some point we want to start being a little bit more independent with him and want to let him be able to pour his own milk and stuff, and obviously don't want to pour it straight from the carton because it'll go everywhere. So I thought this is a quite good baby-sized jug for him to put milk in there and let him pour milk on his own cereal and stuff, and that was only £1. It's one of those silly little tat things that people just have in their house and don't know what to do with. So now it's got a purpose, living with us. And then we've got these board books, Pantone ones, which I thought was quite funny because Sean's actually asked for some Pantone cards for Christmas for himself because obviously he's a graphic designer, so he wants to start doing some bits there. So I wanted some Pantone things, and so I thought, Well, that'd be funny because we'll buy this for Ellis for Christmas, these board books, and then Sean can have the adult version of that, and they can have matching presents. Or I don't buy Sean it and be like, here, just use Ellis's books and I'll save myself the hassle of buying you stuff. I bought this glass plate. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this. It was £2. £2, yeah. Not sure what's going to happen with it. Don't know where it's going to go. I may see about spray painting it, but I liked it. Oh, I didn't say these were £2 as well. This pot, which again was £2, and I bought a plant recently. It has no pot, and so I'm going to spray paint this pot rose gold, and then it'll be perfect. And the best thing, this. I saw this on my second loop around the charity shop. The first time I went in, there was a child and his mother sat on the floor near the kids section, and the child was about 12, so was sat in the way, so I couldn't see everything that was in the kids section of the charity shop. And then when I went around the charity shop again, back over to the kids stuff to see if there's anything that I could buy for Ellis, I saw this on the floor, and another mum and her baby in her buggy passed it, and I was like, please no, don't see the little ladybird. And they didn't see it, so I nabbed it quick, had a look at it to make sure it was working properly. It's £15, or it was £15, and it's the proper wheelie bug design. It looks like it's not really been used that much, but it needs a bit of a wipe down, obviously, as everything does from charity shops. These are £65 brand new, and that was £15 from charity shop. So I'm very happy with that. So I'm going to add that to Ellis's Christmas collection. He's getting quite a haul, to be honest, and I wasn't going to buy him anything for Christmas this year because, again, he's one, he doesn't need or know what Christmas is, doesn't really need anything. But when you see a deal like that in a charity shop, how can you say no to these sorts of things?
Okay, so we are going to start organising Ellis's play area. So we have sort of a play mat, sort of like a car play mat up in the loft that we got him for his first birthday, but when we showed it to him he was a bit sort of like, don't know what I'm doing,
I don't care about this.
I don't care. So now he's a bit more into cars. He might go, cool. Who knows, but we're going to bring that down and see if we can sort of make it a bit more friendly, a play area for him.
It didn't quite fit how we expected it to, so we've had a bit of a rejig, and now it looks like this. A bit more of a focused place for Ellis to play instead of before where it was sort of a more open plan with no specific space for him. So yeah, good, and we have more books out, which is good, although that still is filled with books. We now have more outs for him as well. Yes, happy with the transformation. I just realised I haven't opened my advent calendar for 3 days. 3 chocolates for me. Also, I've just finished taking a photo of these for my Instagram. I made these mince pies. I didn't make the pastry because I don't have time for that sort of malarkey. But I made the mince. Obviously you can't see can't see, but I made the mince. I have a recipe video going up this weekend, I believe, of how I made my own mince for mince pies. And I don't like mince pies. I think they're disgusting. But these ones that I made, they're good. So if you don't like mince pies, I highly recommend you make your own mince, because that's the secret. But in a minute, I'm not going to have one now. I'm going to have my coffee, which is in the microwave because I forgot to drink it, and my 3 advent calendars, chocolates. I washed my hair yesterday and yet it looks atrocious. What's going on? What is this? It's like my baby hairs have grown out, but now, I don't know. Anyway, it's now lunchtime. I am having pasta. I hate lunch. Like, it's a meal that makes me so angry. I never know what I want. I'm always really hungry for it, so I need to make something for myself, but I just don't want anything. If you have any recommendations for types of lunches that you enjoy, put them in the comments below, because I need help. Realistically, do you know what I would like for lunch, Sean? Pad Thai.
Yeah.
All day, every day, Pad Thai. I think that would be the meal I'd have if I was on death row. My last meal would be pad thai.
Pad thai? But from any certain place?
No, it has to be from Siam Central in Warren Street. If you live in London or you're visiting London, go to Siam Central. I'll put the name here.
It's on Charlotte Street.
It's on Charlotte Street. So I used to work near there, and it is amazing. It's the best pad thai I've ever had. Highly recommend. But pad thai would be the lunch I'd have every day without an issue. Obviously, it's not the healthiest. It's got vegetables in it, but it's a lot of oil. Pad thai. And I'm sat in the living room, and I'm going to put something on the TV. What should we watch? I've got editing to do, so I can't be sat here forever.
We could start a Christmas film if you ever so want, or
Christmas films. Slight detour from the Christmas film selection. We're now watching An American Murder on Netflix, which is that documentary about Chris, is his name Chris Watts? Yeah, who murders his wife and 2 daughters. I've seen loads of things about it online, and like theories and things, and so I was like, I need to watch this film, although, I say film, documentary. Although it's not going to be very nice because it's about the death of 2 children as well as obviously a mother. But yeah, we're going to watch that. Nice Christmassy watching while we eat lunch. Oops, may have just watched all of that documentary. I'm currently trying to switch out my wax melt because this one here has now lost its scent, and so I thought I would burn a tea light, said tea light here, to try and get the wax to melt a little bit so I can easily remove it. Of course, I forgot about it, and now it's melted almost completely. So now I've got to try and get it to harden a little bit more before I can remove it. Oh, the hard life, eh? I put a poll up on Instagram about which melt I should use first, and most people, there was nearly a tie between gingerbread and apple and cinnamon, but gingerbread won. So I was going to burn that one, but I forgot to change the melt out. That's the worst part about wax melt, changing the wax. The trials and tribulations of my wax melt. So it cooled down a bit, but it was too soft. So I smushed it a bit like that. And now, oh, it is a bit soft. But it's hardened on the bottom. Oh. Now I've got wax on my thumb. This is a disaster. I'm going to go to ask Sean to do it because I've had enough now. Guess who's home? You're pretending to eat crumbs. Do you want to try a mince pie? It's got a single raisin on it.
Are you a fan? Answer is yes.
That nice?
Just say thank you.
So just give me more.
Thank you.
You can see the rest of it. Yes, please. Please.
Baby.
Thank you.
Boil out mince pies. Success.
I honestly think I'm going mad. I've done it again. Dinner time. It's a bit later than we had thought, but we realised we had no food in the house. You gonna put it in the bin? Ellis, in the bin. Ah, thank you. Right, it is now 8:15. Ellis is in bed and I need to edit this vlog. So, thanks so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.